When I grow up.
How did time go by so fast?
Mom.
Yes, baby?
I wish I had a bike. Thank you, Mom, for buying the bike. I love it. You're the best.
I'm craving meat. The food is delicious, Dad.
I've saved enough money now to buy a motorcycle.
Life is good.
I'm gonna get my own car. Life is good.
I think it's time to buy a house. Life is good.
I have everything I ever wanted in life.
Your blood work results are not looking too good. I want you to live a healthy lifestyle. Please start walking more, ride a bike, eat less meat, and don't work too hard.
Sometimes the hardest part isn't letting go, but rather learning to start over.
The second part of this video has different expressions, same meaning. Some other expressions the mother can reply to her child. Yes, son. Yes, Tom. Yes, sweetheart. Similar expressions to I'm craving meat. I'm in the mood for meat. I got beef cravings. I want a piece of meat. Similar expressions to your blood work results are not looking too good. The blood test results aren't that good. The blood test results don't look so good. Your blood test results are not really good. Similar expressions to I wish I had a bike. I would love to have a bicycle. I want a bike.